Hello guys, welcome to the Chrome Infotech tutorial page. I am Gaurav from Chrome Infotech team, and here I will guide you the complete process of security testing using OSI Zap. Let's take a look, and here's the complete process of security testing using Zap security tools. Many of people want to know how to secure the application with a malicious code. This video is the complete process of solution of security testing and penetration testing. Today in the market, various testing tools are available. We have a WebKit, Vegas, KeepQuish, SQLmap, Zap proxy service tools. I'm using this tool from last couple of years. I will discuss about Zap proxy service tool. It's a very powerful tool which is currently available on the market. Many of expert professionals are follow this tool to perform security and penetration testing. Zap scan vulnerability from an applications and provide the result with a solution. Zap provides complete solution of security lack and how hackers may break your security. Also, Zap support inbuilt port scanning, vulnerability scan, and penetration testing. Zap is an open source across the platform availability tool. It's a very powerful tool used by the professionals. It's a fully documented with solutions. Integration with the other tools possible. We can integrate with Zap integrate with the Jenkins CI/CD tools. We can do here parameter analysis with simple injections here. Spider scan, Ajax scan, active scans can possible here. Let's start doing security testing with powerful tools. Today I will cover these 9 points and simultaneously will do security testing here. So very first one is download and install Zap OSIS. The second one is disable antivirus and security program from your PC. Establish browser connections, attack on server and record the results. Check Spider active scan, Ajax Spider result. Integration with open source tools. Install SSL security socket layer certificate. Use the Android and iOS device. Report with the different extensions HTML, XML, JSON. Make sure that antivirus program are disabled while you perform testing. Let's take a look, and here's the complete process of security testing. The very first one is you need to download the OSI Zap from internet. Just go to Google and type download Zap or Zap and search here. Go to this website and download Zap from here. After download, just double tap and install this in your local PC. I already did. This is my shortcut icon of Zap. Just right click and run as the administrator. Zap started. Okay, so where is the GUI of Zap security tools? Let me explain each one. Here is a file, edit, view, analysis. It's a policy. I will discuss this later. Report part, how we create reports in HTML, XMLs and JSON reports here. Tools, various kind of options, and active scan, spider scan. There are a lot of options. We will cover this later. And here's all. Let's start doing security testing. Let me take any examples. So here is the direct attack. Here's the direct attack, and here's the attack through a browser, particular browser. So let's first look at this part. Just go to the website in which you want to perform security testing. I'm using this Kaspersky.in. It's a very protected site and it's very secured. Let's take an example. So this is the URL of that particular site in which you want to perform security testing. Here is the direct attack, and here you can see here's the mode. We have a lots of mode. We have a safe mode, standard mode, protected mode, and attack mode. So these are the different modes which is what by Zap. So let's attack on this particular URL. Click on attack, and here you can see there is a result. So this is a method, it's a get methods, and status code is 200. That means it's fine. Okay, these are the various results, and it's approx 25% completed. And the scan is spider scan. If you want to add other scans, just we have a active scan, breakpoints, Ajax spider, you can add here for a particular URL, but it is automatically determined by the Zap which kind of security is required on a particular site. So it's spider scan, that's why it's showing the spider scan result here. So this is a URL and attack with the based on the method. We already know about the methods. Methods are get, post, delete, put. These are the various methods. So where you can see here URL found is 634. Approx 80% completed. As I already told you, Kaspersky Internet Security is a very protected site that may be possible here. The number of attacks, the number of level of issues are low because it's a very protected site. If you will perform the same test on a different site, definitely you will get a more result here. So test is completed. Just stop here. It's 100% completed, and explore this part. You will see here your entire URL is here, and this is the complete result bar. Just scroll up, and so this is, if you want to perform again attack, you can do this here. Just right click and attack, spider active, various kind of attacks here. Okay, let's move further. If I want to generate the particular the report of this project, it's a security testing, I want to share this report with my manager or with a client, how can I do this? Just go here and select this project and go to the report section. We have various reports here. We have HTML report, XML reports, JSON reports, and various kind of report here. Let me generate one for you. Generate HTML report. So where you want to save, and the file name I am providing here, Chrome tag 2. This is location is desktop, and just save this file. And you can see here is the only low number of alerts here is 4, because I already told you Kaspersky Internet Security is already very protected site and it's a huge use in all countries. So that's why it's a 4. If you do the same test on your testing site or anything where the conditions are different, definitely you will get their high alerts and medium alert also. So let's move to the report part. Just scroll down. Here is the low, medium. Here is the alert details, incomplete or no cache control, and Pragma HTTP header set. This is the what is the issue level and what is exactly issue. Here is the description. As you can see here, the cache control and the Pragma HTTP header have not been set properly or are missing, allowing the browser and the proxies to the cache content. This is the description of this particular issue. Zap found this issue in multiple URLs. That's why Zap automatically determine the all results and provide the result in a category wise. Just you can see here, this is a very first one URL, this is a second URL, third URL, fourth, fifth. Simultaneously we have a many URLs here. So the issue is same in this particular URL. That's why Zap automatically categorize this in a single table and provide solution here. You can see here, this is the URL and method is get and evidence is private. So this is a second URL, methods, parameter, evidence. So as you can see here, these are the multiple URLs. Just scroll down here and find solution here. So this is a solution. Whenever possible, ensure that the cache control HTTP header is set with a no cache, no store, must revalidate, and the Pragma HTTP header is set with a no cache. So this is a solution for above all mentioned URLs. How we can fix this, because Zap provides, I already discussed with this, Zap provides the complete result with a solution. So if the issue alerts are high, definitely they will provide the result for this one also. So it's a medium level issue, and here you can see the source ID is 3 and solution is this and instance is 345. As you can scroll down, you will find all your issues. This is a again low medium category, cross domain JavaScript source file. This one is the second one, and this issue found in a particular URLs, first, second, third, fourth, simultaneously many more. Just scroll down and find solution for this. Here's the solutions. Ensure JavaScript source files are loaded from only trusted source, and the source cannot be controlled by end user of the application. This is the solution of the above mentioned URL. So this is a complete result solutions with HTML report. We can create here XML JSON format reports from directly from Zap. Let's move to back, just close this. So this is a active scan results. We can directly attack to a particular URL, and after 100% completed, definitely Zap provides the complete reports. So we can do the same thing with this one. Here is the Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer and JX browser. If I want to perform this testing, particular security testing on Chrome browser, how I can do this? Just select here browser. Let me show you with a new section. Okay, just close here and this will create a new session. So here is a new session. If I want to perform my security testing on a particular browser, we have a Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer and here JX browser. How I can do this? Just select here browser and launch browser. This will be launch my Chrome browser, install Chrome browser from my PC and just drag and drop here. I just search Google. As you can see here, once I am hitting this, the all results are displayed here. If I will perform any testing here, just like let me show you. As you can see, just I am clicking this one and results are there. So if I want to perform security testing using a different browser for a login page and other part of other sections of website, I want to perform that security testing only on my home page and the second section, second module, and so I can do with this part. I will go with this part. We can perform here the same security testing using Chrome browser, Firefox browser and many more browser. So just like similar as we already discussed, once this will create it, go to this and create here reports with a different formats. This will provide you the report in HTML, XMLs and JSON format as we previously did this. Just go here and close this tab. Okay, so just go here and here's the scan policy manager. Sometimes we have a different project, like we have a banking project, so now we need high level protection there. So we can customize our policy based on our requirements, based on our SRS. So this is by default policies. Just double tap and here you can see the different parameters are there and their values. It's the client browser. Here is the different injections, as the most common is SQL injections. Here you can see the quality of release, strength is default. So you can customize this part according to your requirements. If you have a different requirements, you can change here. Just like we have a simple app in which we don't need such a high protections, we can use the customize with the default or low levels. And if I am doing the security testing on a website which is with a payment gateway, so I want required here high protections, then I will go with the protection is a high. Here is the server security. It's a default. So this is a default policy. If you want to add according to your SRS, just add here and customize this all parameters according to your need, just like SQL injection. Go here and it's a low, medium, high and incense. So these are the parameters which you can customize yourself and define these policies according to your need. This is a very powerful features of OSIS Zap, which customize the policy according to the user requirements and provide results simultaneously with these effects. So just go here and after creating this one, just save here and select the particular policies, and you can also import and export your policies here. Just close this. So this is a very powerful feature with both by OSIS Zap to customize your own security levels. The next thing is, if you want, this is for a web browser. I already explained with Chrome and Direct Attack and Spider. There is a Spider, Ajax. These are the different attacks. If you want to perform the security testing on your browser, just like we have a application in my mobile browser, iOS and Android device, how can I do this? You just need to go, here's the tool part. Just go to tool and here's the option. Find here dynamic SSL certificate. Here is a dynamic SSL certificate. Just create a new SSL certificate and install this certificate on your Android device or iOS device to make a connection between your device and this proxy server. Once you have done with the installation of certificates, make sure that your device and your PC device in which you are using ZAP proxy server and your mobile device in which you want to perform security testing connected with the same network. Just go to the Wi-Fi connections and go to the proxy part and set here the proxy. Make sure that both the IP and ports are same. So that's all about what you need to do. After doing this one, you can see here, once you open the applications, and the particular actions will be displayed here, and you can create here different kind of reports with the same process as we did for our web application. Just go here and create HTML report and XML report from here. That's all about ZAP. ZAP is a very powerful tool and it's both across the platform. So that's all about ZAP. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe channel.